it glows in the dark, so you're not constantly shining a flashlight to figure out what direction you're going if there's clouds at night. Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Suunto M-9, which is a wrist compass. If you know me, I don't really need a compass to navigate unless it's at night or there's a lot of cloud cover. So in those situations, though, if you don't have a compass, you're kind of SOL. So it's always good to have a compass with you. So I like to keep at least 2 with me. It is sapphire bearing for high performance, wrist strap, liquid capsule for stable operation, window and notch for sighting bearings, illuminescent card, orienteering arrow on capsule, limited time warranty. All right, let's try this out. Sunto M-9. So, unboxing it, I immediately notice it's got some information in here. The wrist strap falls right out. The wrist strap is in there. There's a ton of information on the warranty. There's a warranty in about 10 different languages here. And then it says, "Thank you for choosing Suunto Company. We made it with love up here in the north so you can stay safe on your hopefully many adventures. Share your adventures with us. Blah, blah, blah." So this is Finnish made. So the Finns, I think, make pretty good stuff, you know. All right, so that's the compass. Let's put the strap on it. Yeah, that's gonna get annoying if I have to do that a bunch of times. Strap goes on there. And then it velcros on itself. So this is a nice strong and like almost industrial grade Velcro too. I'm not really worried about this failing. This might not be as comfortable as my paracord one, but I like the quality. I've heard these are pretty nice. I've seen guys wearing these a lot, and yeah, so I should show you this too. So there's that, so you can see exactly. That's a pretty nice compass overall. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10. You spin this? Yeah, it spins too. Yeah, I like it. I'll do an updated video once it gets some more use. These two are both on the Fritzes, so this guy's stuck. There it goes. But yeah, so you're gonna see me with a lot of new compasses. He doesn't even want to go north. You're gonna see me. I'll probably be reviewing some more compasses because don't like to get lost. You know, I watch those videos about hikers getting lost, and I don't want that to be me. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends as it really helps reach the channel. Have yourselves a great day.